I don't have a whole lot of time again, so we're gonna see how long it takes for me to style my hair using Tribal Chimp Styling Clay. My hair's still damp right now, so before the grooming clay, I'm gonna use some grooming spray to prep my hair for styling. Spraying it directly into the roots. Should be good. Next, I'm gonna blow dry my hair. A little trick for more volume is to keep my head down and spray downwards as I do this. Upwards, sorry. Alright, and now for the styling clay. Just gonna grab about a dime-sized piece like that, put it in the middle of my fingers, and then work the product through the grooves of my fingers so that I have more control. Start applying it directly to the roots, starting at the front to give like an Asian grip effect, and go from there. And there you go. In less than 5 minutes, we are done. So if you live a busy life like me, pick up some Tribal Chimp Styling Clay for yourself so you can style your hair quickly, look your best quickly, and get back to doing what's important.